to show you how you can figure out the values in a table like this using the Desmos calculator in case you don't have another calculator option. What this question is saying, 4, 5, and 6 are very similar. It's giving you an equation here, and it's showing you two columns. So let me just highlight first what it's showing you. It's saying that they want to know if x is 0, what is y? So they just want you to substitute 0 in for x. If x is 1, what is y? If x is 4, what is y? So you're just substituting each of these values in the left column into the equation for x. So our equation is 2 plus the square root of x. So let me show you. If you go to Desmos and click on Graphing Calculator, the way I would do this is I would first just write in here the equation. The square root button is down in the left here, and x, and then, was it plus 2? Let's look again. Oh, 2 plus square root of x. Same thing, but I'm just going to change it. Okay, 2 plus square root of x. So what I would do, because this is a graphing calculator, but it's also just a regular calculator, I would then delete the y, and I want to know what is the answer to this when I substitute different numbers in for x. So I can just kind of back out the x and say, what if x is 4? And then it tells me the answer. Or what if x is 5? And then it tells me the answer. What if it's 0? And it tells me the answer. Okay? So let's look at the next one. Make sure you know where to put these. So this one, it's x to the 1/3 power minus 1. So x, you click on this A with the B to say an exponent. So I'm going to click that button, and then I'm going to do 1 divided by 3, and then minus 1. Okay, so that is my equation. And now I'm just going to back out the x. I'm going to click where the x is and then backspace and change it to different numbers. So if I want to change it to an 8, then it tells me what the answer is. If I want to change it to a 4, it tells me what the answer is. A 5, it tells me what the answer is when I'm substituting different numbers in for x. And then the last one, this is a square root, but there's actually a different number outside of the radical. It's a 3. So it's a cubed root of x minus 1. So where that is on Desmos is if you go under the functions, where it says functions, and you have to go to the miscellaneous tab, and then you'll see this button here with the square root with a little n next to it. So that shows up, and you can put a little 3 there, and then it's x minus 1. So inside here, I have parentheses x minus 1. So that is it. And now, again, I could backspace my x and put different numbers in for x. What is the answer when x is 7? What is the answer when x is 10? So you just take each of those values that they're giving you here in the table and substitute them in and see what the answer is.